Oh my God, it's so different now. Yeah, how they used to hit me, now they let me down. Yeah, I remember days of wearing hand-me-downs. Yeah, got it out the mud, they understand me now. I swear I'm just a young, no, keep counting up a check. I've been having fun.
Okay, baby, so this is got a little crust to crust. This is the end of my eyebrow tutorial. As y'all can see, my eyebrows are lip popping. I'm actually getting ready to go somewhere right now, but I just wanted to film me doing my eyebrows. This one is always raised, so that's why it looks like different. I always have that one raised. They're not identical, but they look alike, and that's what we're going for, so praise God. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in with me. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, baby. It's really early in the morning for me, and I haven't unthawed completely, so that's why I sound this way. So I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I can't wait to see you. You know, give me a kiss.
When I'm not two, and I got one. Thought you had one, but it's not one, nigga, no. Hermes link, ice blue mink. Tight on my wrist, like I do not know what permanent is.